Hello everyone, my name is Mina Jung. Nice to meet you. As a Korean registered lawyer, I have met so many foreigners in Korea who are suffering difficulties with legal issues. But they didn't have enough information because there are not so many information sources translated into English. So today, I'd like to introduce you this website where you can find Korean law translated into English. The address of this website is elaw.klri.re.kr. And in the website, you can see first the Korean version of this website, but on the right section, you can find English button. If you press the button, you can go to the English website. The picture is same, but the language is only in English. If you know the keyword of the Korean law you want to find out, you just type in the search window. For example, if you are a person who is working in Korea, you want to find the Labor Standard Act, I think. So if you type only labor, you can find some Korean law. I think the most popular thing is Labor Standard Act. Yes, if you press search button, you can find Labor Standard Act and enforcement rule of the act and enforcement decree of the act. So among them, first, let's go to the Labor Standard Act. Yes, if you press the title of the act, you can find this page. On the left side, you can find the title of every article. When you press the title of each article, the page go to the article you selected. So you can find the number of article and title and content. If you want to copy this article to a DOC file, just select the article and press the right button and copy. Go to a Word file and paste. You can make a DOC file with the article you found. Now let's go to the page. And then on the upper side of the web page, you can find history of the record, when it was revised, and the content of the former statutes. And then let's go back. View with enforcement decree. If you select the button, you can compare with Labor Standard Act and enforcement decree of the act. So if you want to compare and find some information, detailed information, you can find left and right. Let's go back. And let's go to the main page. If you drag down at the main page, you can view recently translated Korean law, most viewed Korean law in use. If you are a foreigner who is working in Korea, you want to get some information about your labor rights, which is translated into English. And if you made some kind of mistake in driving or walking or communicating with someone, or you made big problem, so you can find this one, Criminal Act. If you want to compare the Korean version of Korean law and English version of Korean law, you have to visit this page, not English page. And let's start with the labor search. And in the English page, you just can find English version of Korean law. But in this page, in the Korean page, you can find only English or compare Korean version of Labor Standard Act and English version of Standard Act. If you want to communicate with a person about a legal case, about a legal issue, you can find this page and find some law which is related to your issue. And if you just want to, I'd like to consult with you about this article, and the person can read this article in Korean and you can communicate more easily or more accurately. This is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching, and next time I will introduce you another website in English. You can find Korean law related information. Bye.